Deleting your AirTalk Wireless account involves permanently closing your service and removing your associated data. First, ensure you have no outstanding balances and are not under contract. Log into your AirTalk account via the app or website and navigate to Account Management, then Close Account. Provide a reason for deletion, like switching carriers, and confirm any data export options. It's now mandatory to export your personal information, including call logs and billing history, within 30 days of initiating the request. Submit your request and return or deactivate any associated equipment like SIM cards. Alternatively, you can call customer service at 1-800-AirTalk for assistance. Expect an email confirmation of your account closure, and remember to verify this confirmation to prevent continued billing or potential data breaches. Upon account deletion, AirTalk removes personal information including your name, address, and payment details, along with usage data like calls, texts, and data usage, plus metadata. While they use encryption and anonymization, complete data removal can take up to 90 days, and backups may retain data for up to 7 years for legal compliance. Under privacy laws like the CCPA, you have the right to erasure, though exceptions exist for fraud prevention or regulatory records. The process complies with FCC and CTIA telecom standards to protect user privacy. Before deleting, be aware that while full data removal is the goal, complete removal from backups is not guaranteed. Check for any recurring charges or subscriptions linked to the account that need to be canceled separately. It's crucial to follow up and ensure full deletion to protect your privacy and avoid unexpected charges. The deletion process is designed to comply with telecom standards and protect user privacy.